Hello and welcome. In today's video I'm going to demonstrate how to replace the key fob battery in this VW 3-button remote key fob. What we need to do is to remove this panel here to get at the key fob battery. Okay, we can get our fingers in here and try and prise it open to get at the battery, but usually it is very tight and we can't do so. So we need to get an implement like a spoon or a knife or something like that and get it into the crevice there and just pop the case off like that. It makes it so much simpler. We need to remove the key fob battery by getting our little screwdriver underneath and prising it out like so. This key fob takes a battery with a part number of CR2025 like this one. All we need to do is just pop the key fob battery back into its housing like so. And get the case, make sure you pop it in with this end going in first, make sure everything's lined up and just click it in place, pop the blade down and it's all done.